this is Naz. I have an Etsy shop where I sell digital sewing patterns. I put the link in the description box, please do check. Once purchase the pattern, you will get 3 PDF files, A4, letter and printing cutting file, which you can find it in your Etsy orders and also in the mail. For this we need pattern pieces, fabric and French clip. Place all 3 pattern pieces on the fabric at straight grain line parallel to the selvage. Then cut each one piece. Make sure to cue notches on the fabric from the pattern. Now take the pattern piece number 1 and fold it in the middle in lengthwise grain line. Then stitch between 2 notches with 1 cm seam allowance. Next, fold the pattern piece number 2, stitch on both sides leaving gap between 2 notches at the center for turning right side out. Then take pattern piece number 3, fold it and stitch it with 1 cm seam allowance. Now take all 3 pieces and turn it right side. Make sure to clip notches at the corners to avoid bulkiness. For the last pattern, here I am using loop turner to turn it right side, then give a good press. Now take the first pattern piece, which is bow, fold it in the middle, then grab the center, then pin it up to the ends and stitch it with 1 cm seam allowance. Next, turn it right side, then give a good press. Make sure the seam should be facing at the one side. Now we need to close the gap. You can use simply straight machine stitch as I am doing. Next, take the pattern piece number 2 and close the gap with a straight stitch. First, take the pattern piece number 1. I am going to make small pleats in the middle to create a bow. Then secure it with hand stitches. Next, take the pattern piece number 2. Fold it in the middle and create few pleats, then secure it with hand stitches. Now attach both pieces with a hand stitch, but you can use glue gun as well. Here I am attaching this French clip with a glue gun. The final step, I am going to use the tie to secure both pieces. Now secure it with the hand stitches. I hope you like the video and the pattern. Please give your feedback on my Etsy shop, it really helps me. And also, if you face any issues, please ping me in Etsy chat. See you soon with the next pattern. Bye.